Wow, this happens every time. The net got disconnected and my end always ends. The live always got ended. Wow. And there's a really always bad timing. Yeah, this is still not working. I think I have done something wrong. Wow. Else if else why it's not okay. If it's not working for a single test case, then I can kind of hardcore it. Where is the laminate change? This is not working for this test case only, right? So I think I can write it. If bills of 0 equal 10, then I have to return false. If bills of 0 is equal to 10, then I have to return false. The only test case which was is not working. Yeah, it was. I mean, as if will also work, but let it happen if and if only. Okay, let's just move to the next question. Okay, what's the next question in the list? Please, I think I should copy paste the list somewhere else. I always have to go upward to find the next question. I should have saved it somewhere. Wow. Okay, I will copy paste this so that I will not need to go again and again. Okay, I have to do maximum units on a truck right now. 1710. 1710. Okay, I'm gonna ignore this chat. Maximum units on a truck. Maximum units on a truck. You are assigned to put some amount of boxes onto one truck. You are given a 2D array box types where box types I equal to number of boxes. You are assigned to some amount of boxes and onto one truck, right? You are given a 2D array box types where box types I equal to the number of boxes. Number of boxes is the number of boxes type I. None of the units per box is the number of units in each of the type I. You are given an integer truck size, which is the maximum number of boxes that can be put on the truck. That you can choose any boxes to put on the truck as long as the number of boxes does not exceed truck size. Okay, I kind of got the truck size, which is 4. There's one box of type that contains 3 units. Okay, and two boxes of second type that contain 2 units each, right? And three boxes third type that contains 1 unit each. And our maximum size of the truck size is 4. Like you can take out the boxes of first and second type. Like I think I can take the box first and the box third, right? We have the maximum capacity of 4, right? It will be 1 into 3 and Total number of units will be 8, but I need 1 into 3. That is 3 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, you are assigned to put some amount of boxes onto one truck. Let me just reread the question. Kind of not entering my mind. What we have to do. So given a 2D array box type, that box types I equal to number of boxes and number of units. So given an integer truck size, which is a maximum. Bro, इन्फोसिस का निकला है क्या हायरिंग? इन्फोसिस का हायरिंग लाइक अभी तो आई है कैंपस में इन्फोसिस इंटरव्यूज अभी हुए हैं उसकी लिस्ट आई है तो चल ही रही है हायरिंग तो कॉलेजेस में आ रही है हायर तो कर ही रही है वो 1 box of first type that contains wow actually I don't need views शक्ल का यूज करो मतलब वाह this means I never have to I will never use my shakal in my life again. I'm not doing the live for views, like I'm only doing for focus. It's okay even if there will be 0 views, I'm fine with it. You're assigned to put some amount of boxes into one truck. You're giving a 2D array box types. The box types I will do. You're given an integer. Okay. We're also given an integer truck size, which is a maximum. Okay, let me just start doing it instead of rereading the question again and again. We got our 2D array, right? So I need to find the length of the 2D array. We can find it using its first row, but L and JT that length, right? Then I need to apply first to 1 comma 3. Like I have to apply the greedy approach here, right? वो तो मैंने भी किया था ऐसे बट अब बंद कर दिया. Like maybe you are doing for the views, but I'm not doing for the views. Let me ask ChatGPT for the Kadane approach, right? 1710 Kadane approach. I need 1710. Oh, not Kadane, I mean greedy approach. Maximum units on a truck. Per box. Take box with the highest unit per box first. Right. 3 units per box, that will be 3. And then I will be taking 3 plus 4 is 7. And then I will taking the first box. Like sorting is kind of thing that is always applying in these problems. We are sorting our array and then we are applying the logic of making our best choice, right? So I try to do it, but I think I'm kind of doing this approach only, right? I don't know how to do it with the Kadana. That's why I asked ChatGPT. Following in maximum units, int, box types, and truck size. Fine. If boxes is equal to minus 0 in units per boxes is equal to box types I1. And we have to take the minimum boxes because we need the maximum boxes it will be fit in our truck size, right? Then we'll be adding a unit as we take the minimum box and the units per box, and we'll be doing the truck size. You minus take. Fine, okay. We have to take a minimum box I0 and I1, right? Boxes and units per box. चेक करा फ्यूचर तुम्हारा ओके ग्रेट दिख गया है तो मुझे भी दिख रहा है कि लाइक काइंड ऑफ आई एम taking a lot of help from ChatGPT, but I hope I will not take it in the further questions. Like, I have just started the greedy approach problems. Wow, you are a future teller, right? I equal to 0, 11 box type for claim I plus plus. Boxes. Okay, I need a dry run outfit. Right. I need a dry run for it. For this test case. Give me the dry run. Fine. We have the box type this and number of boxes, comma units per box. Okay, I already understood this part. On iteration 1, we will be having box type 0. It is our first row, right? Boxes will 1 units per box will be 3. Okay, how many can we take? We'll take the minimum boxes, the truck size, and comma boxes. We'll take the minimum. And then we have to find units equal to units plus take into units per box. Okay, this is the normal. We have to multiply that taken boxes with the units. Final addition. Okay, now I think I will try to write it. Laminate change. No, not laminate change. Which question I was trying to do is maximum unit per truck, right? Okay, what we have to do? You actually saw my future, and you can also tell also, right? You just said you saw my future. We just focus on my thing. I less than n, I plus plus, right? Then should be box types dot length. Box types dot length. We already have said the multiple things. Why are you waiting for to say one more thing? In 5.0, I less than box types dot length. Right. What do we have to? If we have to store the minimum, okay, we will be storing our boxes and the units per box in boxes and units per box. Immature who bought. Okay, I know I am. And you also look like, okay, fine. Boxes equal to this part, then you have to take the minimum. Actually, I don't know why we were replying to it. Hmm, again, take math dot min. I'm going to take the minimum of take and comma. Then I should initialize and take outside the loop. Dot min take comma drop side. You want to take our minimum, right? You will be too much. What I have to do? Stored our boxes and units, and we'll be doing unit plus and divide and kind of minusing the take, reducing the take. There are lots of tabs I have opened. I should minimize. Mm, it is fine. I should in take. Okay, why has taken the take inside the loop? So the units plus equal to like this, and we have to minus the truck size, and then we have to return the units we have used. Return units. Cannot find symbol and from if I were to see this footprint, kind of, okay, I haven't even used any variable. Let's just remove it. Drop type, it should be TRBT fine. Cannot find symbol drop size. Okay, that is capital. Unit. I guess I should also write 10 units equal to 0. Wow. Output is 0. Return units. I have returned the units inside, outside the polyfill. If we got the minimum take, okay, I haven't written anything in my take, right? Boxes, comma, truck size. Box, okay, it should be boxes, comma, truck size. What I'm doing, like it should be boxes from a truck size. Okay. Delete 8 1 and should be 9 1. 10 boxes equal to 5 and in unit person we will be getting 10, right? We will take the minimum 5 or 4. We are taking the 4 as a take, right? And units plus equal to, wow, my mic was, okay. We got units plus equal to take into units per box, right? What are we having in my units? 4 into units per box. I have 10 units. Like, so it will be 40 units like this, and will be minus truck size equal to minus take. It should be take or what? It should be minus take. Truck size equal to 0 break. Fine. And units equal to 0. Okay, I haven't sorted the array. That's why it's happening. I think we have to sort the array. Hmm. Okay, fine. Actually, that. Hmm. Now he will be seeing his phones only. Okay, fine. It should be break. Truck side equal to 0. Truck side. If let this gonna work now. Okay. Arrays dot sort box type. But it's a 2D array. I can sort it like this. भाई यहाँ टूडे वाला सॉर्ट नहीं होगा तो लाइक वनडे array के लिए है तो I actually don't know how we can sort 2D array. Like how. I don't know actually how to remove this people. So let me see how I can do this. We can sort our 2D array using this. Okay, this is how you sort it 2D array. Okay, fine. I will see the logic of. There is a question right here. We got 0 comma 0. Like I really need to ask ChatGPT what it has done with this line. is a way to sort a two array based on a particular column. Each row is an array, means the second element of a row A. We are sorting by the second column. And because we wrote B1 minus A1, I think I should actually feel like I need to open my notebook. I'm kind of trying to show everything on the screen. But I think I really should open. Actually, do. But if I will be doing in the notebook, the stream will kind of pause. Okay, let me just see. 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 1, right? You're right. Actually, I think I'm fine. Kind of changed my approach when I'm doing live. I think I should use my copy. ये लिटरली मैं भी सेम ही करती हूँ बस मैं लाइव पे पता नहीं कोई डिफरेंट तरीके से करने की कोशिश कर रही थी बट ओके आई विल ट्राई ऑन माय नोटबुक बस ऐसे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्वेश्चन The assigned two pieces of working to one truck. Okay, fine. I need to first to focus on the minimum capacity I can store in my truck size, right? One box of the first type that contains 3 units. 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 1. 0 comma 0. Okay, fine. I'm kind of writing the indexes. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 0, 2, 1. First row, second, first column, and second column. Fine. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Now I have to find the, they have to keep the minimum, right? In a boxes, we got one box and the units are 3, right? If our capacity is less than truck size and we can keep that much on in my in our tape and the units will be plus equal to 3 1 into 3 units will become 3 then my truck size will get reduced by the capacity I have consumed right truck size will reduce by 3 if it is 4 then 4 minus 3 equal to 1 okay fine the next I will be doing 1 comma 0 okay we are kind of taking a first column units plus equal to now boxes are 2 and our units are 2 right 1 comma it will be 1 comma 1 fine I kind of understand these lines now more properly boxes are 2 units are 2 so we will take the minimum we got a 4 capacity and we also have now but our truck size is 3 now and I need 4 so I should be taking the minimum so I will take um how many boxes I have 2 boxes I will take 3 boxes right take the 3 capacity. Now my units will be 3 into units per person. I will take 3. Okay, wait. My truck size is 1. I should take 1. Actually, pen paper always works. My take is 1. I will have to take the 1 only. I can only take the 1 box. So my units will be 1 into 2. That is 3. And I will be adding. My units will become 3 plus 3. Unit will become 6. And I'll be mining truck size. So truck size becomes 0 from here. And I got the output of 8. Okay, we have to sort the first column only. This is what I just figured out after doing this much trial run. We have to sort the first column only because we need to put the minimum number of boxes first. Fine, we have to find the minimum number of boxes. Then do the dry run for the next example. Okay, I will try 5, comma 10, 2, comma 5, 4, comma 7, 3, comma 9. We got 2, comma 2, 3, comma 1. Let me just do this try run again. Like 1, comma 1, 2, comma 0, 2, comma 1. We got 1 in our boxes and units we got 3. That is 0, comma 1. Right. We take the minimum, which is we got minimum boxes 1, comma 4. So we took the 1 box. Our units will be 3. Okay, our truck size become 3. Now our box will be 2 and our units per box will be 2. We will take again the minimum. Our boxes are 2 and the truck size is 3 minus 1, 2. Our truck size is 2. Again take 2 boxes. So our units will be 2 into units per box is 3. We took 6 in a unit. Like 6. Okay. Boxes में 1 है. We got unit as 3. We took the minimum 1, comma 4. And then we added the units. Will be 1 into the way you're doing will be helpful to you in the future if you must want to see. I hope so. Boxes 1 units per box is 1. 1, comma 3. Taking the minimum 1, comma 4. The units will be 1 into 3, right? Truck size will decrease by 1. We got 3. And then boxes equal to 2. 0, comma 0. It will be 1, comma 0 and 1, comma 1, right? Boxes will be 2 and units will be 2. We'll take the minimum 2, comma 3. So our units will be 2 into units will be 2, it is 4. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Now our boxes are 3 and units per box is 1. We'll be taking the minimum. Our truck size is now um 3 minus 2. We only left with one size. Ask hash map solution for this to try. I know, I guess that would be optimal. Okay, I will ask after this. Take boxes 3 units 1. Now take will be minimum. That is 3 comma 1 will be taking a 1. And then the units will be we got 2 into units per box 1. That is 7 plus 1 8. So actually did my trial. Like, should I explain this code because I understood this logic? But just the sorting parts left. I don't know how to sort the Jodi array. It's in a way to sort 2D array based on a particular column. I actually didn't understand this part, how it sorted the 2D array, because we wrote B1 minus A1 instead of A1 minus A1. We got the descending order. So we don't need a change. Okay, we kind of sorted our array according to our first column using this approach because we need the minimum number of boxes first. Here is the question. This we are taking the first row by row. We are going the row by row. First we took number of boxes 1 and then 3. Then we took the minimum. Is the capacity is less if our boxes are less than truck size, we took the all the boxes. We took boxes 1 and the units will become 3. Then we read the amount which we have occupied from the boxes reduce that amount from the truck size. And then will be second row and then will be the third row. We'll be keep writing the minimum, taking the minimum boxes. Okay, let me just ask for the chat GPT approach. The hash map approach you are telling. 1710 hash map approach. 1710 hash map approach. But it doesn't really have the solution where to process box steps by highest unit per box. So sorting is a natural approach. If you actually want a hash map based approach, yeah. If we specifically want a hash map, we can group boxes by units per box and then process the value from the highest to the lowest. This will be optimal. Let me see. The previous question, time complexity, previous was the time complexity was actually n only, no, right? It is already done in O of the n, O(n). Okay, let me see. Are they both in O(n)? GPT is saying greedy would be better, yeah. Like, I think there is a lot of more space complexity, I think. Like, both are in O(n). Okay, like, I will just read this approach, right? We stored our units first and we added the boxes to the units, map or get or default. Right, we stored key as our units and boxes as our frequency. Okay. Highest units per, and this kind of looks lot of different from the greedy approach. If map dot contains units, boxes the units का लो and take minimum. Okay, it's the same approach. Basically, we are just taking our row wise using key value pairs. Your solution, but I think space is less in your code. Yeah, I think hash map take more space than the variables. We only took like two or three variables here. I think I should move to the next question. Okay. Okay, let me just move to the next question. Um, here. Oh wow, always take a lot of time. Okay, I did assign cookies, laminate chain, maximum units on a truck. Now I'll be solving greedy plus sorting, non-overlapping intervals. That is lead code 435. Okay, I will first try to understand this myself. 435. House rock. Next question. House rock. Okay, I can see house rock. House robber. It's a mid of level question. Okay, I didn't even remember when I tried this question. Are you talking about 198? 198. What are the topics? The topic is DP. Oh, I don't know DP. I can try it with the array only. We are given a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. You're a professional robber planning to rob houses. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of the adjacent houses has security systems connecting. It will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses are broken into the same night. Okay, we don't have to rob the adjacent houses on the same night. Okay. Represent the amount of money each house. Return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. Okay, and to rob the adjacent. Will be robbing this one, or I can say I can also rob one and one also, right? Rob house one and then rob three. Total amount you can rob is four. Okay, rob house one and then rob house five. Total amount you can rob is 12. Okay, this can be done using two pointer. Like I will check each and every pair, like I and I plus two onwards. And I will be storing the maximum sum. Is that the approach? Like I will be comparing, storing the sum of two. Just read the question and send the problem statement build project whenever you find time. Okay. But this logic is wrong. I can like see it. Even out will not work because we can jump from two to one, three also. One, two, three, four, five. I can jump from this logic is wrong. That's why this will not work. I don't think so. It will work. I have attempted it and not even submitted it. Okay, I will try. In nums of I, Okay, I will try this question, then I will end this life after trying this question only, right? Just tell me, can I use two pointer here? Like a brute force solution in my mind. I don't know if it will work or not. I'll start now. I less than n, I plus plus. I will be doing. Start with recursion. Start with recursion for this question, or like I should start recursion apart from this. Yes, I will be starting with recursion soon. After first, I have to complete the linked list also. I will move to recursion after doing linked list. This question. Okay, this question. Hmm. Okay, this will gonna take time. How I can do recursion here. Fine. You can just start with then I equal to then j equal to I plus 2 which okay hello j plus 2 and j is less than n. I think I should be going minus 2 because I'm checking I plus 2 and j plus plus. Yeah, TFA sum equal to sum plus. I don't know I'm doing this in the right way or not. I'm just saying. Saying uh, 1 and 3 and 1 and 1. Can the robber also rob backwards? Like it will be same. Sum equal to sum plus nums of I plus nums of j. I think we should not do sum plus. I should store. क्या अरे आप करते रहो करते क्या हो तो सोचा ही करते क्या हो स्टूडेंट हो हेलो भाई उसे वापस वापस मत कर Okay, student to bro. Summarizability, nums of I and nums of j. I will be storing the math is equal to math dot. Okay, I should use math outside this loop, right? Like max will be equal to math dot max sum. Now I have to return the Fonzie or the third year. Should return max here. Cannot no suitable method for max. Comma math dot max. Okay. कोर्स तो बीटेक है। कॉलेज एबीएस ईसी। बीटेक सीएसईडीएस बेसिकली। ओके। Wow, math.max. I should be comma maths. Okay. I know it will not work. Okay. What I did. Yeah, UP. That is Ghaziabad. Infinums dot run. Sum equal to 0, max equal to 0. So what I'm doing actually like 3 का 4 आ रहा है and 10 का 12 आ रहा है. Okay, first and 3 and 1 and 1. Right. Then 2 and 1. I stored 2 and 9. It is 12. What I think it should be. It see. Sit there and wait. I think it should be inside this code. Okay. फर्स्ट ईयर वालों को गाइड कर दो. गाइड क्या करना है, डीएसए चालू कर दो, कुछ ना कुछ टॉपिक्स निपटाना. लाइक कॉन्टेस्ट देना स्टार्ट कर दो. कोई एक लैंग्वेज पकड़ लो. आई डोंट नो. बेसिक तो ये कोई एक लैंग्वेज पकड़ो और उस पे टॉप एक एरे स्ट्रिंग लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर में एरे स्ट्रिंग बेसिक की 2-3 चीजें कवर कर ही लो. डेली डीएसए के प्रॉब्लम्स करो. फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ये करना लाइक ठीक ही रहेगा. ओके, वन ऑफ माई टेस्ट केस पास्ड. 27931 and 11 and 12. Okay, I took 1, 3 as 4 and 1, 1, 2. So maximum में मेरा आ गया. Maximum में आ गया होगा 4, right? And then 2 and 1 3 आया होगा. तो 4 आंसर आ गया. ठीक है, बट इस वाले क्वेश्चन में जो हुआ पहले 2 और 9 यानी कि 11 हुआ होगा. तो मैक्स में 11 आ गया होगा. देन कोई भी टाइमिंग नहीं है लाइव आने की. जब भी मन हो तब आ जाती हूँ. बट मेनली रात में ही, तो तब शांति होती है. ओके, बाय. Having bad stomachache. Math.max. Okay, 2 plus 9 is 11. I stored 11 as a maximum money. Like, फिलहाल तो मैं रोज ही आ रही हूँ, बट जब एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे तब तो मैं नहीं आऊंगी. As I will switch to YouTube learning, then I will not be able to do live. But soon I'm going to start an interest. Like, so, so this will not be helpful to do coding with me. You have to do it like अलग से बैठ के खुद से ही करो तो ज्यादा सही रहेगा. फिर लाइव देखते देखते टाइम वेस्ट होगा तुम्हारा. खुद से अपना बैठो और करो. लाइव देखने से लाइक मुझे लगता है ज्यादा कोई बेनिफिट होगा. You can like see the topics which I'm studying like, but live Yeah, you can. I am not doing stuff. I'm in third year. I will do Strava, but not now. And that kind of taking list from ChatGPT only. Yeah, where was I? 2 plus 9 will be 11 and 2 plus 3. Okay, this case is not working. Let me see why. Like, I suppose 2 and 9 was the robber can't rob the adjacent houses, so I will be moving one step ahead. Right? 2 plus 9 will be 11. So in our max, I will store 11. Then 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 6. First, we got stored here 11, right? Then I will check for 7. 7 and 3 and 7 and 1, right? It will not work. 9 and 1. Okay, according to 11 will be the output of I should have 12. Rob house 1 and rob house 3. And okay, we are supposed to rob as many as as many as the houses. Rob house 1. I thought we have to rob 2 house only, but here we are 3. Okay, 2 and 9. 2 and 3 and 2 and 1. Rob house 1. Rob house 5. Total amount you can rob is okay. I should go. I think J also should jump from plus equal to 2, and I should do minus 2. I guess. Oh, wow. Finish the to set C. It's good for placement. Keep it up 5. Okay. I will be doing Strava also after some time. Thanks for that advice. Okay. I think I should do this question tomorrow because it is going to be 4 o'clock soon. So what if I give this approach to ChatGPT? Like, I know I am kind of not considering more than 2 houses in this logic, and I have to consider as many as the houses, but they should not be adjacent. Okay, if I took the J, the next J should be, okay, I should use literal T and literal V, and if it took J, then the next J should be like not adjacent, like 2 plus 9 and 2 plus 3 and 2 plus 1. 2 plus 9, then 2 plus row house 1, row house 3, and then you can row house 5, 3 and 5. Okay, I think I should use plus equal to 2 and store my max in it. Okay, it's kind of not working. Let me just pass this to see. You're working on LC. Your current approach is trying to enumerate houses with a nested loop, but there's a simple DP pattern here. Okay, I can't think of a DP pattern. Give me array solution, bro. Give me array solution, please. I'm not doing DP right now. Yes, if you want array cell DP solution, only DP. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Only array. It stored math.max number one. We started a second. I minus two, I minus one. I think I should do dry run. I should do the dry run of it. It's then only I will be able to understand this solution. Okay. Here we are modifying the input array itself to store the DP values. For it becomes answer. Becomes remains exactly the same. Okay, if you mean I can solve this question. Okay, I will be doing this question tomorrow and will be continuing with the more grid problems. And I will try to solve it first and on my notebook only. And I can kind of write it down, the work for tomorrow. I should complete the house robber and greedy problems. I also have my kind of Adobe round too also ready, and I also have to give the round two test, and then I will be doing some other work like I'm learning SQL also, right? Okay, now I'm ending this live. But like I don't feel like today's live was kind of productive, but before actually I did something. That's fine. I'm ending